Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can delete your Tinder account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Tinder app. So once you tap open your Tinder app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon. And once you tap on the profile icon, all you need to do is simply tap on the settings option. Once you're in the settings option, you need to scroll down to the drop down menu bar, and at the end of the page you can find the delete account option. After you tap on it, simply tap on delete my account. You can even give a reason why you want to delete your account or simply skip it. So once you in this page, simply tap on delete my account for the final time and your account will get deleted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.